welcome to Linda Fitness Travels. We've just arrived at Malaga and look at the queue. 10 o'clock tonight, you should be in a hotel. We're at the medplaya Bali hotel in Costa del Sol, and we just got a room on the 8th floor, 2808. So we're just going to go into the room. As you go into the door, there is a step quite a deep step you need to go into the room. So then you have your bathroom and shower, which is quite good. Yeah, lovely. You get the Dove, which I like. You get the Dove shampoo, conditioner, shampoo, hand wash. Lovely, nice. Yeah. Toilet clean, perfect. You got your aircon, which a lot of the places you don't get that, and it is really good aircon. You've got your sliding, it's a wardrobe with a full mirror, slide it back for your clothes. You've got your safe, you've got a fridge, which all rooms I believe have the fridge, no matter what room you have. Double twin beds. You do have a television on the wall, but as regarding coffee and tea, they don't supply any of that. You have to either hire a kettle from reception, which I believe is €20, and you get to €10 back for the week. But they only supply the kettle. You've got no mugs. You have to bring your own mugs, which we bought some lovely Mias ones when we went for the day. You have to bring your tea, although they might hire you the kettle, but you don't. You still have to buy your tea, coffee, milk facilities, which is great. You've got your fridge for your milk. This is a double room, but I do believe families can stay here. They use it for that because that is a fold-out bed. Oh yes, I've never looked at it. Look, yeah. So you've got a bed in there. You have got a bed to bring down. So yes, you could use this as a family room. Lovely lighting over the bed, lighting. Yeah. You do have a step, which you need to be aware of. To go out to the balcony, you have another step that you have to step up to go outside. You have a table with 2 chairs. Beautiful. This is the 8th floor, like I said, so you do have a beautiful view. In the day, it is absolutely lovely. You've got 3 reporters down there, but the view is absolutely beautiful. So this is a 3-star hotel. To be fair, the meats had a really good choice. You had especially the pork and the gammon. Some of the food is a bit repetitive, but you get that at most hotels. Out of a score of 10, I would say 7 out of 10. There also was a good selection of desserts, cheesecake, ice creams, very enjoyable. Also, there was an extra drinks package that you took for the week, which meant you could have lager, sangria, and a few other drinks, soft drinks as well, in a package for the week. Yum yum. I'm just off to get some salad to go with the chicken chips. we're at the hotel medplaya, and this is what they apparently call cardiac hill. So if you look down there, it isn't quite as bad as what they say, because it actually goes a bit further right to the top, as you can see where the car's coming round now. So this is a bit that they actually call cardiac hill.
Okay, there you go.
It's not too bad. If you did want to nip out to the supermarket, there's quite a few along here. Baz's Bar. And as you can see me walking down, it really isn't that bad.